Bonafide Hustler here, and we're gonna go hit up garage sales. We're literally about to be the first one.
Oh,
what's all that macrame stuff? I want it.
We're gonna be hitting up garage sales today. We want you to come with us. Let's go make some money. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship. E-Money's about to go ejecting out the back. My wife is walking up to this garage sale. We're gonna make some money today, find some cool things for ourselves, and we want you to join along. Make sure you subscribe. Let's hit the first garage sale. All right, so found some interesting things. All right, so I found this. This is kind of cool. Did you see this thing? Have you seen this?
No.
Who is this person?
I don't know.
But check this out. So this is called a VIP stadium tour of Taylor Swift's Reputation Stadium Tour. This is the VIP box. So open it up. It's kind of cool.
I can't get into it.
There you go. Yay! Yay! So yeah, it's a VIP box. It comes with like there's a TV in there that like plays something. There's like an actual ticket in there as well. And there's a missing CD, but the VIP box, people are bidding on them in used condition already around 38, and their bids on it. So I bought this thing for $1, and I'm gonna see what I can get for it. You know, I'll risk $1 to see, maybe if selling for 50 or something like that. It's kind of an awkward shape, but it doesn't matter. I want to see where that ends. But yeah, that's the Taylor Swift Reputation Tour VIP box, and we'll see if I can get that thing sold. E-Money, did you find anything?
yeah, so I got the game of phones because Cheddar is coming.
Cheddar's coming.
Actually, $2, and I should get about 18. But I may just like play it.
Play it? Okay. And then you got some overalls?
Yeah, I'm taking a picture of this house.
Oh, you want this house now? Okay, great.
No, I don't want the house.
So,
I like the style.
Okay, she got some overalls that are American Eagle. She paid $5, and that's probably what they're worth. But she's gonna wear. She's gonna wear them though. She just wants to wear them. So, anyways, that's pretty much that.
It's better than me paying $20-something for
That's
them.
true. We're gonna go to the next garage sale. Hope you guys are having some fun. It's a beautiful Saturday morning here in Austin, Texas. We're gonna have like a good time. We're gonna have a good time, and you're gonna join. And we order you to like we order you to hit the like button. Right, so the next garage sale is not even, it's like a thing on grass right here. I mean, it looks cool. There's a dog crate, Emerson.
Oh, great.
Yeah, let's go check it out. I mean, it looks interesting.
Flower things.
They're looking right at us, so we gotta be careful here. But there's some stuff. I see some video games at the corner. Let's check it out. Oh, there's a DVD called Brazilian Butt Lift there, and if it's complete, it's actually a good selling DVD. But anyways, I was picking it up, and it wasn't complete, but I was a guy, you know, that looks like me, picking up Brazilian Butt Lift DVDs. Anyways,
and she said, there's only one in there.
yeah, she's like thinking that I wanted to use it.
Creepy guy.
All right, so E-Money is popping on some GameCube games. It looks like just one of them. My guess is it probably resells for around 20. Let's see what he says. What's the resale on that thing, Emerson?
Let me rescan it, but it's probably like 20-something bucks.
Okay, so about 20. He paid 3 for it. Pretty cool. And most GameCube games have pretty low ranks in the first place. What's that game called?
Chicken Little.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get $23.95.
Cool. All right, so let's go to the next garage sale, which is pretty close. What is up with these garage sales not being on today? Frustrating, super frustrating. We gotta find another one. This is hard. Today, like,
it's 8 a.m.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Well, it is pretty much 8 a.m., man. All right, let's find another
but
one.
then it says start time 8:30.
Okay.
We can go to Goodwill.
Okay. So there's a garage sale down there that opens up at 8:30. It's currently 8:01. We're gonna kill some time by going to this thrift store, and it's really close. Let's see if we can find something here. You cold?
Chili.
You're chilly.
Chili Willy.
With beans or no beans?
No beans.
Okay, okay. All these other random bikes, nothing good here. But maybe in here something good. Money is looking at getting these Metcon 2s. It's Nike shoes. They'll probably sell for around $35, $40. We'll see. Look those up later. Looking for things that just like jump out, man. Like some super obvious stuff. I don't see anything yet. It's a magic 8-ball.
And guess what?
What's a magic 8-ball?
Oh, okay.
All right, ready? Is my brother a ding dong? Is my brother a ding dong? Let's see. What does it say? Yes, definitely. I told you. I knew it. What?
Is Chris a better hustler than I am?
Yes, definitely. Whitney got me this for the antique booth, which is gonna be perfect. A little crop top. I think it'll sell pretty well. Yeah, you got yourself a hat and another shirt. Doing some shopping. Yeah, they are calling, aren't they? Oh, just cruising around. Having a good old freaking dandy time. It's a swell time. Well, check it out. Pretty cool. 1984 Real Ghostbusters collector case. Chilling here. And it's kind of banged up a little bit, but it's interesting. Very slow morning here in Austin, Texas. We're still going to continue filming because, you know, it's fun to do. E-Money came out with nothing.
Because you're the better hustler, obviously.
Yeah.
Wait, hang on. Are
The
you gonna resell
8-ball.
that?
The 8-ball. Yeah, I'm going to resell. That's a Dare shirt. You can put it on. You want to put it on?
No.
Have you seen it?
I dare you to put it on.
It's an extra long tail.
Here.
It's for tall
I
people.
dare you to put it on.
No way.
Come on.
Anyways.
I just dared you.
Pretty neat. If I put that thing on, it would be like a handkerchief, man. That thing would like 5 billion.
Aquaman
Anyway.
wears dare stuff. You know that?
I'm not Aquaman. So yeah, we're gonna be at this next garage sale in about a second. Still, man, you know, simple things. Even though the day is like not coming around super good, the fact that it's a good day and it's amazing, and we're outside, and got family, got wife in here. That's what's really important. I automatically win. We all win here in this situation. Always look at the positives. So Whitney got a hat. Indiana Jones hat. She got some booty shorts for the summertime. Oh my gosh, cheeks are gonna be hanging out in the summertime. Man, we're gonna have to make sure this camera goes lower.
What?
Get that cheek shot, man. We gotta get the cheek shot. We gotta get those views. We gotta get the subscribers to come in somehow. Okay, is the garage sale going on or not? There should be one around here somewhere. Oh, there's something. It looks pretty bad. It's firing. It looks terrible.
Moving too.
It looks so bad. Here, we can go check it out. We're gonna just see what we can find. I mean, who knows? Oh, this is the moving sale, I guess, or something like that.
Oh, gosh.
Something in there. Let's go check it out. All right, so I guess I persevered a little bit here. I got in this like tiny, I got in this small closet, and she's like, you can look around. There was a PS2 there. She was selling for $7 with some games, and I was like, I just don't want to mess with PS2 right now. $7.
7?
Yeah, but it's like, it's just rain. I don't know. It doesn't look like it even works. But I did get this for $15. This looks like it's been used one time, and the reason I say that is because almost everything's still in plastic and everything like that. It's an Vario hard disk camcorder, which I think it can also record on an SD card, which is in here. She said there's some secret footage on here, by the way. That was $15. And on eBay, they sell between 80 and 100 these things. And this is in perfect condition. It has everything. So I would imagine it would do really well. So anyways, that's that score right there. To the next thrift store or garage sale, or maybe even farmer market. We have to do some things today. We have to get some eggs, don't we?
Yeah.
All right.
Starts at 9. We
All
might
right.
as well go by there.
Soon. It's time for some coffee. We're here at Stonehouse Coffee Bar. It's one of our favorites that we've found recently. So I've been here twice now, and both times amazing coffee. So, or cortados, but they have really good espresso here. I don't know if it's the machine, the bean, something is done right here. I don't know what it is yet, but it's good. So E-Money, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here, ready? Ready? Tag you in, go! Tag you in, go! There you go! Get him, get him! Woody doesn't even get it.
Yes,
He had no idea what's going on.
Yes, I do.
All right, coffee, yes. 2. What do you want?
Is your matcha sweetened? I'll do almond milk matcha.
I think we. Is that the
Is
Arkansas?
this the same onyx as the Arkansas?
Yep.
Oh.
Wow. Those are cortados?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'll get my ass kicked. Oh no. E-Money, E-Money, help me out, help me out. Oh yeah, come on, come on. Oh yes. He did it. He did it. He rescued me.
You want an air plant?
No.
Plant there.
An air? Do I want an air plant?
It's an air plant.
I don't want an air plant. No. Nope. We're gonna head to a farmer's market real quick, get some eggs and some other things, and then do maybe 2 thrift stores and then tacos. That's the plan right now. And we got these cortados. That's the first plan, is to get these things down the hatch. Oh, it's so hard being a vlogger because you have to like open your car door, then balance this, balance that, and put things in your pockets. Just, sometimes it gets crazy. Okay, so let's see what's in this cortado right here from Stonehouse, which is gonna become a Merit coffee. It got bought out already. Alrighty, money. Cheers.
Okay. Cheers. I have a question for you.
Why not cheers for me?
Oh, cheers. There you go. Cheers. Sorry about that. So we got the $2 bill challenge thing here. Well, it's not really a challenge. It's just, I have possession of the $2 bill, which is basically the thing that we go back and forth with on these little dumb questions. So it could become any one of ours in about 2 seconds here, because we got a question coming up.
Legit question. Where is money made in the U.S.?
Okay, so I'm just gonna say
DC.
I'm gonna say it's made in, like, what state or what, like?
It's kind of like a 2-part thing, like this, the city and like facility, if you can think.
Somewhere in Virginia at
The Treasury.
the Treasury. Yeah, I was gonna say the Treasury in Virginia. That's what I want to say.
Okay, so it is at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing in Washington, D.C.
Oh, I got it.
And in Fort Worth, Texas.
I totally
You
got
didn't get it. You said the Treasury.
DC and the Treasury. That is
That's not the Treasury. That's
Google
not the
it.
Treasury.
Google it.
Nobody gets a $2 today.
U.S. Treasury.
That's
I
it.
get
No,
it.
you don't get it. No one gets it.
The Treasury. Come
Sorry.
on. Printing
No one gets it.
and blah 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 and
Bureau of Engraving and Printing.
Ah! That's what I have to say about that.
Let's go to the farmer's market already.
Mmm, it's good. Is yours good?
Mine's incredible.
Well, clearly it's not.
No, because I started it before.
Oh, well, clearly it's not.
Yeah, it's great.
We haven't heard an ah yet.
It's not necessary. Trust me, it's
He's gonna try and scare us.
Oh.
Ah! Man.
Let's go.
Well, this person's doing Rubicon stuff.
Let's go.
Ah!
Yummies. That was good.
Hurry before the
Okay.
eggs get sold out.
We're gonna go to the farmer's market because Whitney needs eggs. Don't you have eggs inside you already? Ew! All right, we got the egg lady, and we got some chicken. Yeah.
Chicken.
Okay, so we're gonna put it in the Yeti, and we have like 1 block of ice in there. The eggs in there. Oh man, that's the bad thing about these Yeti coolers. They're so. Don't ever get a Yeti cooler with a zipper on top like this. They're so annoying. All right, hold on. Okay. Here. I know some of you guys out there have this thing at home, this Yeti cooler. It's so annoying. Maybe I'm the only person that thinks it's annoying. It like grabs you and like hurts your arm when you put your stuff in. It does keep everything super cold though, but it's just hella annoying. They've since revamped this design with a zipper on the side now, but this is the first gen. Lowballed someone on Craigslist for it. It does its job, but it is annoying. Ugh. We gotta find a USPS person too. Get some packages out. Let's go to Goodwill or two. Beautiful day. Try to make a little bit more money though. Here at this Goodwill, give it our best shot. We're gonna pat Benatar. We're gonna hit it with our best shot.
You're how far away you are.
That was dope. I'm pretty freaking far from the front here. Wow. Yikes. All right, let's see what we got. Hey, you gonna hit it with your best shot, babe?
What?
You gonna hit it with your best shot, Iman?
No, but I'm gonna be like, hey man, nice shot.
Okay. You're gonna filter it. I get it. All right, let's see what we got. Anything? The bag section and stuff. Whoa. There's a freaking barrel in here. Jeez. There's a freaking barrel in this Goodwill. What? Looking through here. Usually when I'm in the shorts section, I'm looking for like mountain biking shorts and things like that. Not so much for my use because I got plenty, but to resell them. They sell really good, so you just have to like look around for them. They'll usually be longer than most shorts, and they'll have like pockets on the side. And then if you grab the crotch region, you'll get some padding, you know. We're walking out of the Goodwill, and we have the boutique to go to. Found some cool stuff. E-Money, you got a controller. It's gonna probably sell for what on FBA?
After fees, I'll probably get about 30 bucks. 30
bucks, cool. And this is the 3D Extreme Pro, right? Yep. Logitech. Got a Briggs & Riley tote right here, made out of ballistic nylon. This was $10. Not really a brand that I resell too much of, but this is a good one. And this one should sell for around 60. Inside, we have E-Money. Pull it out real quick. Yeah, E-Money, pull it out, E-Money. Pull it out, E-Money. Check this thing out.
Hello Kitty.
1974 Hello Kitty. Actually, 1976 Hello Kitty wallet. Look at that. I know. I had to rescue it. So in my booth, probably 20 bucks. Brooks Brothers quilted jacket right here. Light quilted jacket.
Lining, but it's not.
Yeah. Brooks Brothers quilted jacket right here. Should be, this is a $17 jacket. It should sell for around 80 or so.
Oh,
what?
Man,
you see that? That's cool, huh?
Dude, this is rad.
It's neat, huh? Yeah.
Cool.
So we got a little Capo wind jersey, long sleeve. This is a very good cycling brand to look out for, Capo. That was $8, and this should be, 60? I would think, 60 to 80, maybe more. Yeah,
this is like
cycling, awesome long sleeve.
Dang.
All right, everything goes back in there. Pack it back in. Pack it up, pack it in. Let me begin. I think I'm gonna change my name from Bonafide Hustler to Profitable Aquaman. All right, we're in another Goodwill. Having a look around. See if we can find anything good. Tell you if we find anything, we'll show you what we find. Looking around hard though. See if we see anything good. Oh, there's gotta be something good in here. This memory card's giving us some problems, so this vlog's gonna be cut a little short. Still getting some memory card errors. We're about to be at Taco Deli. I'm gonna get some tacos real quick and then kind of call it a day. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys had fun. Hopefully you guys learned a couple things and maybe some things to pick up for eBay or local or whatever. It was fun hanging out with you guys. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler ride along. Take it easy. Goodbye!